So tonight we have Marty Beck up here visiting us from LA. He's going to hand deliver us the Z10 and we're going to go on a little group ride. Should make for an amazing night. Here comes the Z10. The grand entrance of the Z10. Oh, and Jesse's riding it. There it is.
I'm sure you're all applauding me.
Yes. We're so happy to see you, Jesse. Hey Marty, good to see you. How's it going?
May I present?
It's so thick. I can't turn this thing.
It's a weird turn.
Dude, that turning is like really
I do like how it's like
it slams the top. It's top.
Yeah.
easier to move than the monster.
You like it?
Yes, for sure.
I like it. I think I'm gonna get it.
Notice anything?
Definitely different from the 84. Does feel like you have to lean into it.
Yeah.
Feels like it's always got something there.
That's what
Very
I
smooth,
noticed. Yeah.
Almost like cutting through octopus or something. Where
Cutting
it's
through
firm
octopus.
And no,
That's
but,
an interesting.
But there's enough body
It's like
there
a
and
wide
enough pushback.
Yeah. Yeah, for sure.
Okay. Oh wow, you
So
haven't
fast.
touched the metal step at all.
Come on.